Hey guys, today we are doing I'm gonna do a solve on this Rubik's Cube. I'm just gonna scramble it quickly. I'm just joking. Okay. It's already scrambled. Okay. 3, 2, 1. What? Come on. Okay. Okay. Oh, F to L, F to L. Okay. Okay. What is next? Okay, there we go. Okay, one more. Okay, green. Okay. Oh, forgot. Oh my god, I forgot, bro. So that's gonna make my time a little bit slower. Okay. Wait. Okay. Okay. No! I got 1 minute and 48 seconds, bruh. Okay. Oh! Oh! I accidentally dropped here. Okay. I wish I had the snack map timer. Let's try and scramble this again. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, scramble. Okay, is this scrambled? Okay, it looks scrambled to me. Okay, let me just do 15 seconds of inspection. Okay, definitely we're gonna go with this already. Okay, and 3, 2, 1. Okay, come on. Okay. Here. Okay. Oh my god, that just slowed me down a lot. Okay, there we go. What? Guys, I asked. Okay. Redo, scramble again. Okay. There we go. It's scrambled again. Oh my god, that was a huge fail. Okay, 3, 2, 1. What? Oh. Okay. 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 Now F to L. Oh my. No time for itches. Even though it itches, I'm not gonna even bother. I'm getting the best time I could get today, baby. Oh, where is it? It's going much smoother. F2L is going much smoother than last time. Ooh, ooh. Oh no, okay. 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 No, okay. Oh, this is slowing me down. This is, okay, there we go. Get the best time I could get. We're almost there. Okay, here. Just need to up to, oh. I got a new time record. I got 125. That's my best time last time. And now I got 124.26. Bro, that was so close. I got my new record. There we go. PL's good. Okay. Let's go. Okay. This is my first vlog, and well, not vlog. I'm doing my face cam for this, but it's still like a vlog. Okay. Let me try some algorithms on this. Then reverse algorithm. Hey, I actually did that. I reversed the algorithm. Okay. And then the beginner's algorithm. Reverse it. And then the left side. Reverse it. And then this. Okay. Okay, I can't do this shit. Okay. I know another algorithm. Okay, I know another algorithm. And I reversed. Oops, I forgot. There we go. Ow, my stomach hurts. Algorithms. Reverse. There we go. Hope you guys enjoy this video. As we got a new time, that was very cool. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want more Rubik's Cube, then leave a like. Because I'm not doing them often, but it's really fun to make, so leave a like on this video if not more. Anyways, peace. I'm not using my thumb, I'm using my